Hey guys, it's your one and only Findom Goddess. I want you to close your eyes and just relax. Close your eyes and just relax. As you deeply close your eyes, you're gonna picture me, your one and only goddess, Findom Goddess that is to you. You're gonna breathe, you're gonna inhale and exhale. You're gonna think about how much you worship me, and you're gonna surrender me, and you're gonna put your all into me, your one and only Findom Goddess. As your eyes are closed, you're picturing me at center of attention in front of you while you are bowed down to me. Yes, you're bowed down to my feet. And as you're bowed down, you're gonna kiss my feet as your hands go around my ankle. You tell me, I worship you, my beautiful goddess. And then I pet you on your head and tell you how good of a boy you are. That's why you want to put your all into me. You want to give in to me. You want to give in to your one and only goddess. I'm here to listen to you. And you're here to cater me and worship me and surrender your all to me. Do you understand? Let me know. Do you understand?